And you're Jason Busat.
You bet.
How many hours do you have on this? And tell me maybe like 30, 40 seconds about it. Like what's...
Yeah, so I originally built this aircraft in 2006, and then it's evolved quite a bit along the way. I did a major rebuild on it about 3 years ago. It needed totally freshened up, and I did the fabric and did the new panel, and so all the good visibility out of it, and the custom landing gear with shocks front and back, and this engine install is our Yamaha EPEX, and it's 300 plus horsepower.
Yep.
And so that one I've got, I guess on this new build, I've got about 35 hours on this engine here right now.
Okay, so just getting breaking in really. So you're doing the STOL demo today, and then also up at Oshkosh you're going to do some STOL stuff.
Off to the STOL demo and the STOL corral. Yeah.
Hanging on a prop.
I do STOL drag. I've competed at High Sierra, and it's pretty fun. I built this machine pretty much as STOL, but STOL drag's pretty fun.
So you said this was Yamaha. Typically, what is this engine used for then? Is it the snowmobile or is it something else?
Yeah, it's the Yamaha Apex snowmobile engine.
Okay.
And they were made from 2006 to 2019.
Okay.
It's just a really reliable engine, and the key to the whole project is the gearbox made by Pilot Skytrax on the front of it, and then we just took it further with the Edge Performance stuff and built the motor up around that. Feeling really good. It's a little bit different to get used to the RPM, but these engines seem to live at high RPM really well. So, you know, cruising at 7,600, 8,000 RPM, it seems happy. Temps are good, and it seems real happy there. So.
Yeah. So are you lightening it up a little bit? Is that the plan is here?
We got all the weight out. Hal's getting real serious over there, so I'm actually going to pitch the prop and put it into competition mode here. Hal's always pushing us.
Yeah.
You never know. He's a wild card. You always got to watch Hal.
Yeah.
You want to go in there?
He'll take his whole maintenance facility out of his plane, right?
Pretty much. He's got. I thought I had a lot of stuff, but man, he's got double what I got. Well, we're trying.
Trying.
I always try and keep Steve nervous.
Yeah.
He's one of my good friends too. So.
Yeah.
Doesn't help a lot, but it's coming off and gonna get real noisy.
Appreciate the information and good luck, man.
Bet, no
Be
worries.
safe.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya.
On the line or past it. The main wheel. It's good. It's good. I'm kind of good.